Mission successful. Here is the Google Pixel 4a. Well, that was a good chase. Alright guys, now let's talk about the Google Pixel 4a. As you guys already saw the quick unboxing in a very different way. Well, if you like the overall concept, then do let me know in the comment box, and also make sure to subscribe my channel. And huge thanks to all my friends Mazhar, Saurabh and Ayush, and they helped me to make this chasing scene. And special thanks to Mazhar, he was the one who recorded all that chasing scene. Well, you can check out his YouTube channel as well. He makes some awesome cinematic films. You can check out his channel, go and show some support on his channel as well, and you can follow all of them on Instagram as well. I will give the link in the description box. But now let's come to the main topic, which is the Pixel 4a. So this is not my review video, this is my first impression video. Well, I have been using this phone from last 2 days, so I will tell you about my experience and every basic things that you should know before buying the phone, and review will come after 1 or 2 weeks, or maybe after 3 weeks of uses, because I love to do in-depth reviews. But now let's talk about Pixel 4a. Alright, so see, when it comes to Pixel devices, everyone focus on camera and software, and they say that Pixel devices are all about their cameras and their great software experience. But in my opinion, I think it's more than just camera and software. So I will talk about other things first in this video, then I will talk about camera and software in the later part of the video. So the first thing first is the form factor of the phone. I mean, this phone is very compact. You will get a 5.81 inch OLED display. So of course it's less than 6 inch. So it's a very compact phone. And this phone is very comfortable to use as well. How? Then 3 reasons. First, it's a very compact phone. Second, it's a very lightweight phone. The weight of this phone is just 143 grams. And third, of course, you can use this phone with just one hand. So overall, when you use the phone, it's very easy to use and it's very comfortable to use. Now, if we talk about the in-hand feel, build quality and design of the phone, then it's entirely made up of plastic, including the frame of the phone. Now, again, I see a lot of reviews, hands-on and first impression videos of the Pixel 4a, and 50% of the reviewers said that when they hold this phone, they feel that it's a complete plastic phone. And then there are 50 other reviewers who said that when they hold the phone, they feel premium and they doesn't feel like it's a plastic body. Now, I will slightly go with the second type of reviewers, but I am not 100% agree with them, because when I hold this phone, it doesn't feel like a plastic, because company designed this phone very smartly. You will see that glossy finish, and the overall in-hand feel is actually good. Now, the in-hand feel is also good because of its weight and because of its form factor. But if we talk about the material, then yeah, it's made up of plastic. And phones like OnePlus Nord, which comes with a glass body, will definitely look more premium and more better. So that's quite obvious. I mean, it's not as premium as glass bodies, but when we talk about the in-hand feel and when we talk about the quality, then I have no complaints. And as I said earlier in the video, that the camera and the software is not the only thing which I liked about this phone. So the form factor of the phone is also a very huge reason for me to buying this phone. Now, talking about the display, then you will get a 1080p 5.81 inch OLED panel, and this comes with a punch hole. And talking about the front design, then it's again very beautiful and it's very good. I have no complaints with the design of this phone, and I have no complaints with the display as well. Yeah, if we talk about the display quality, the blacks are very good and overall display quality is very good. It's better than the OnePlus Nord in terms of display quality, but the display brightness in direct sunlight is still low. It's not very bright display, and that's a typical Pixel device for you. I mean, every Pixel device, I used Pixel 2 XL, I saw Pixel 3 and now Pixel 4a, and I noticed the same thing in all those devices. I mean, the display brightness is not very bright, but still this is not a major deal breaker. Overall, it's good. Now let's talk about the performance. So you will get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset in this phone, and this phone comes with a single variant, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. So make sure you can't expand your storage when you will purchase this device, because you will not get a dedicated slot for micro SD card. But if you are okay with 128 GB internal storage, then it's a good choice for you because 6 GB of RAM is more than enough. And talking about the color, then you will just get this black color, single variant, single color and single size, 5.81 inch. That's it. Very simple Google. Very good. But talking about the day-to-day users performance, then I guess 730G is a very capable processor for normal tasks. This processor is not for heavy gamers. For if you are a heavy gamer, then go with flagship processors phones like the Redmi K20 Pro or the Realme phones. If you want to avoid Chinese phones, then you have to pay more and you have to buy Samsung's flagship or Apple's iPhone. But if you are a normal user, then this is a very good phone because I am using the Samsung Galaxy M51 from last 1 month, and this phone also comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset, so I have a very good idea of its capability. So overall, I don't think that I am going to face a lot of issues in this phone, but it's too early to judge, so I will definitely cover the performance part more in my review video. Now talking about some extra things, like first, it comes with a stereo speakers. Now the stereo speaker is not the loudest in this range, but you will get a very good experience. And if you watching any videos or listening music, then you will get a very good experience, but it's not the loudest. I mean, the OnePlus Nord's mono speaker is louder than the Pixel 4a's stereo speaker, but overall the clarity of the sound and the music balance is right on point, so I have no complaints with this. And this is a bonus that you will get a stereo speakers in this phone. Now talking about the earpiece quality, then it's very loud, and Pixel phones have always a very good earpiece quality, so I have no complaints with the earpiece quality. Talking about the Pixel imprint, then you will get a rear fingerprint scanner, and guys, this is very responsive. See, this is very responsive. So actually this is more accurate and more faster as compared to the under display fingerprint scanners. So technically it's not very advanced and not very hi-fi, but I like this or the side mounted fingerprint scanner more than the under display fingerprint scanner. So I have no complaints here as well. So there are so many good things, so many small things, so many good things, but one very good thing is that the haptic motor is just amazing. Now I got a very good haptic motor on the OnePlus Nord as well, but in this you will get even better haptic feeling as compared to the OnePlus Nord. Like suppose that if you type anything or if you tap any app, like if you click any app, say, you will get a very good feeling. I don't know the mic captured that tiny sound, that satisfying feel or not, but I will check that in editing part. But yeah, the haptic motors is very good in this phone. Now talking about one more good thing is that the power lock and the volume rockers are very tactile. Just listen this sound. This is so satisfying, guys. This is so satisfying. So these small things makes our experience better. And now let's talk about the software. So you will get a very clean pure stock Android, and pure stock is definitely my favorite user interface in Android phones, so I have no complaints. You will not get any bloatwares, no ads, no trash, nothing. This is a very clean, pure and very easy to use user interface. So thumbs up Google, they always give you a pure stock Android experience. And yeah, we all know Pixel for their software experience. You will get the fastest updates as well, and you will get 3 major Android updates. I guess you will get Android 12, 13 or maybe 14. I don't know you will get 14 or not, but you will get the fastest security patch and major updates, that's for sure. Now talking about cameras, well, you will get just a single camera, a 12.1 megapixel rear camera and a single front camera as well. And here are some photo samples which I have taken from the Google Pixel 4a. So guys, that's it. Wait for my review video, and if you like this content, if you enjoyed this content, then definitely hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please give me the feedback about that unboxing part, about that chasing scene, that what you think. And again, huge thanks to all my friends who helped me to make that chasing scene. And I will see you very soon in my next video, which is the Galaxy M51 review. The in-depth review is coming soon, you can say tomorrow. And then a lot of comparison videos also coming, like the Google Pixel 4a versus the Galaxy M51 and the OnePlus Nord. You will see all those comparison videos. So if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe the channel and also tap the bell icon, select all, so you will not miss any of these videos. So that's been it from today's video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.